Welcome back to this video, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to delete received goods from history on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to delete received goods on 1688 purchase history. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I have my 1688 shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your profile. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on items on transit. Then it takes you to the number of the items you have on transit. So for you to know and delete your received goods on 1688 purchase history, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Then you have to scroll down and locate your old delivery and received goods on 1688. So these are all old goods that has been received on 1688. So let's, for instance, if I want to delete this particular one out of my purchase list, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. Then I'll make sure I click on here. Then I'll make sure I click on here. Then I'll make sure I click on here to confirm delete. Boom, the item will be deleted successful. So this is how to delete purchase goods received on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.